What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video I'm bringing you something special, an opportunity to get $5,000 credit line instantly. No income verification required, no credit check, and the approval is 100% guaranteed. So yes, you heard me right. Even if you have bad credit, a bankruptcy on your record, or no credit at all, this can work for you. Let's dive into this information and how you can take advantage of this. First, let's talk about the company making this all possible. And this company is National Credit Direct. This offers 5,000 primary trade line with absolutely no hard inquiry at all. What does this mean for you? No hits to your credit score while applying. And the best part is it reports to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So it's helped you build your credit too. National Credit Direct is an online retailer that carries a wide range of products like electronics, household items, and top brand names like Apple, Samsung, Dell, and much more. Now, the products might be priced slightly higher than what you will find elsewhere. However, the real benefit is the line of credit they offer to you, especially for people with a challenged credit. So this can work for you. You might be able to consider this if that's where you at. Let's go over why this is a game changer for anyone struggling to get approved for credit. The first thing is there is no hard credit check. That is right. Applying won't affect your credit score at all. There is a guarantee approval. So as long as they can verify your identity, you are good to go. Bad credit, bankruptcy, unpaid bills, none of that matter for this specific trade line. And it also helps build your credit. So this is a primary trade line that reports directly to the three main credit bureaus, helping you establish and or rebuild your credit profile. Here is how you can start. Like as you say over here, your approval is guaranteed. So it's super fast. You just have to go to the National Credit Direct website, where this is what you are seeing right now on my background, and fill out your basic information and you will get approved without any impact in your credit. The next thing basically is that you need to be aware is there is no income verification, which is also a great thing. There is no need to worry about providing your income or anything like that. The third is making a small down payment. So when you place your first order, you will need to make a small down payment. After that, the product will be shipped to you and you will get access to your credit line. That's how it works. Initial credit line usually is $2,500. Your first purchase sets your credit line to $2,500. To unlock the full 5,000 limit, you need to make a second purchase. And the next thing that you need to do is 0% APR for additional purchases. They offer you 0% APR financing, which is a great perk. So do your diligence, just go to this website, double check everything, do your homework, research about it, because I believe this is a good deal. So how do you get the full 5,000? It's simple. First, make your first order, which sets your credit limit at $2,500. After your second purchase, like I mentioned before, your credit line will automatically be increased to 5,000. The tips here is these purchases need to be separate. So you have to make two purchases. You have to make two orders. So you won't get the full limit right off the bat. But once that second order is in place, boom, you already got that 5,000. So if you are wondering who is this perfect for, if you are someone with a bad credit, not credit history, or even if you have go through bankruptcy, National Credit Direct can help. It's not for people with good credit who can easily get approved elsewhere and get a line of credit or a loan. But if you have been struggling to get approved for any kind of credit, this is a golden opportunity to rebuild your credit. So think about this. So you might be thinking, okay, why is National Credit Direct so special? So the first of all, they are offering you guaranteed approval. National Credit Direct guarantees approval for a primary credit line even for individuals with bad credit or those who have experienced bankruptcy or unpaid bills, so their credit is not in a good place, credit profile and anything like that. So as long as they can verify your identity, you are approved. The other thing is no hard credit check. So unlike most traditional financial institution credit applications, there is no hard inquiry with National Credit Direct. So applying won't impact your credit score at all. Another thing that you can get is credit building. So the company reports your payments activity to all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And this is beneficial for those who need to establish their positive credit history by making regular on-time payments, which is going to help you too in the long run. And another positive thing is wide range of products. So they offer a selection of products, electronics, appliances, household items, and much more, which it will help you out to decide or to choose something that you might need or might like. So what else I can tell you about this? Let's look at the pros. So there is no credit check. You won't take a hit on your credit score when applying. You will have guaranteed approval. So even if you have experienced bankruptcy or have a bad credit and you have some challenges get approved in another banks or financial institution, you will still be eligible for approval in this company. Another thing is credit building. Payments are reported to all three major bureaus, which helps you build a credit profile over time. You have zero APR financing after your initial purchase, and you can use your credit line with zero APR for additional purchases too. And the last one is flexibility for challenged credit. So National Credit Direct caters especially to individuals with bad credit or limited credit history. On the con side, the first one is higher products prices. Items on National Credit Direct are typically more expensive than what you might find elsewhere at a standard retail store or online platform like Amazon or something like that. The second thing is initial purchases requirement. Your credit limit starts at $2,500, but you need to make two separate purchases to unlock the total $5,000 credit limit. The third con is limited usage. The credit line is only for use on National Credit Direct websites. So that's mean it cannot be used in other retail or financial purposes like a regular credit card or something like that. You won't get that money to be used outside of that website with the product that they have available. The fourth cons is down payment required. So you need to be aware. That you have to make a small down payment with your first order, which can be a drawback for those with very tight budget. In that way, you have to handle that part. And the last cons that I have for you is shipping delays. So some customers have reported long shipping times, which might be frustrating if you are really expecting that fast delivery or you really need the product as soon as possible. On the other hand, National Credit Direct offers a range of products which are primarily in electronics, home goods, and category. These include electronics like laptop, tablets, smartphones from Apple, Dell, Samsung, Microsoft, and so on. On the household appliances, they have kitchen appliances, cleaning tools, home improvements items, and much more. They also have on the category of furniture and bedding, they have some home furniture and decor items. And they have another category that is personal items, which is beauty and wellness products, fashion accessories, and so much more. So I will suggest you to just come here to the website, shop around. You will see a plenty of stuff going on here. There is a major all of the categories right here, and you can click any walls of something that you might need or might want, and you can go from there. So the way that this program helps people is offering $5,000 credit line, and this is designed for people with bad credit. So the question is, how does this program help people with their credit? So The first thing is establishing your or rebuilding your credit. So National Credit Direct is especially helpful for people with poor or no credit history by providing guaranteed approval and reporting payments activity to the credit bureaus. They give the people the opportunity to start fresh and improve their credit standing. The second way that they help is with credit utilization. By extending a line of credit up to $5,000, it can help customers reduce their overall credit utilization ratio. And this is if they manage it well. This is a key factor in improving your credit score. The other way is timely payment boosts credit score. So making regular and on-time payments, it's crucial to build a positive credit history. Since National Credit Direct reports these payments, customers can build a solid payment history that improves their score over time. The last one is no hard inquiry impact. So that means that many credit building programs come with the downside of a hard credit inquiry, which can negatively impact your credit score in the short term. However, National Credit Direct avoids this by not performing hard checks. So let's recap here. You get up to $5,000 in credit with no hard inquiry and no credit check. Guaranteed approval even if you have bad credit, bankruptcy, or unpaid bills. Use this trade line to build your credit. It reports to all major credit bureaus. Make a small payment and a small down payment, and after the second purchase, unlock the full $5,000 credit limit. This is a great option if you need to rebuild your credit, and it can make a big difference for you. So think about this, consider this if it might be a good choice for you, and go ahead and do your homework, do your diligence, your research, and see if this can be a thing that you can get into. Thank you all for watching. Stay smart with your credit. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any question about this subject. Keep building that financial future, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.